Hello, welcome to this update for Europe. So let's see some forecasts for Europe in the next few days, and especially some severe weather stuff because we'll have many storms in some areas in the next few days. So we will take a look at the forecast from west to east. So first we will take a look at Spain, Portugal, and then France and the UK, and move east. So let's see here. Here first. So the general outlook is it's hotter in the south there, but tomorrow we'll get some cold air in height there. They'll cause a cold front to form in parts of north and eastern Spain, going into southern France there, and lots of strong dangerous storms will happen in parts of eastern and central eastern Spain tomorrow because of this cold front. So let's discuss this better in Spanish so they can understand. Let's see. Hola, ¿qué tal? Entonces, mañana va a haber una masa de aire frío en altura que viene así y va a causar la formación de una frente fría así, y esta frente fría va a traer tormentas muy fuertes mañana por la tarde en partes del este de España y del centro y norte de España, sí. Entonces, miramos con más detalles aquí, con otro modelo. A este modelo de alta resolución aquí, podéis ver sábado mañana. Empezamos el día bien así, y ya empiezan a entrar algunas lluvias breves en el norte de España y algunas lluvias en los Pirineos. Y al inicio de la tarde ya forman unas tormentas cerca de los Pirineos y unas otras tormentas en zonas centrales, así. Essas tormentas crecen más ao medio de la tarde, quedan más fuertes, y mira esto, y ya unas 3, 4 de la tarde, unas tormentas muy fuertes ahí en partes del norte de Comunidad Valenciana, cerca de en Aragón, sur de Cataluña, y estas otras zonas que no me acuerdo el nombre muy bien, pero Madrid está más abajo ahí, está bien. Entonces, más a las 5 así de la tarde, están muy fuertes las tormentas. Mira esto a las 6 de la tarde, tormentas muy fuertes así. Aquí podéis ver a las 16, a las 4, están muy fuertes, a las 5, un poco más en Cataluña, Comunidad Valenciana, a las 6, más en Cataluña, podéis ver ahí, a las 7 de la noche, a una en Cataluña y en Andorra y sur de Francia, a las 8 de la noche, a las 9, a las 10 y ya se acaba. Pero aún quedan algunas tormentas cerca de Tarragona y el Ebro. Ya es medianoche esto del sábado y quedan unas tormentas ahí y ya se deshacen luego a la 1 de la mañana y ya no hay más nada así. Entonces, las tormentas empezaron mañana como al mediodía, unos chubascos, a 1 de la tarde ya habrá tormentas, a las 2 más fuerte, a las 3, y a las 4 están muy fuertes así, a las 5 muy peligrosas y fuertes, y a las 6, 7 y 8 aún hay cosas en Cataluña y partes del suroeste también. Y mira esto, a las 6, unas tormentas muy fuertes ahí cerca de la Comunidad Valenciana, Castilla-La Mancha y estas zonas así. Entonces, muchas precauciones mañana con estas tormentas, y este pronóstico está siendo hecho el viernes, día 5 de julio, y está válido para el sábado, día 6 de julio, para que no os confundáis con otro día así. Entonces, precauciones con estas tormentas mañana. Y miramos los acumulados de lluvia aquí. Esto es hoy solo, o que está pasando hoy, que ya hay alguna tormenta o dos, y luego mañana comienzan las tormentas ahí y mucho acumulado de lluvia, principalmente sur de Francia, los Pirineos de Cataluña, otras zonas ahí al sureste y cerca de Tarragona también. Entonces sería como esta la acumulación así, pero las tormentas serán muy fuertes probablemente. Y estas son las rachas de viento así, más fuerte en los Pirineos a veces. Y mañana sí, ya habrá unas rachas más fuertes ahí en algunas zonas. Esto está en kilómetros por hora ahí abajo. Y ya con estas tormentas podemos tener unos vientos muy fuertes, pero mira, como en Cataluña ahí a las 5 de la tarde, unos vientos muy fuertes con estas tormentas. Precaución, por favor. Y también fuera de las tormentas puede haber unos vientos más fuertes, como esto a las 4 de la tarde, muestra muchos vientos fuertes en unas zonas. La escala está ahí abajo. Y también al litoral, en algunas zonas así. Y es esto, y al sureste por las tormentas también. Precauciones, entonces. Y también no tengo que decir de los rayos y el granizo, principalmente, así. Precauciones con los rayos y puede haber granizo grande con estas tormentas. Y entonces, miramos alguna cosa aquí. El mapa aquí, las tormentas mañana. Y podemos mirar las temperaturas así. Habrá un descenso térmico ligeramente así, por causa desta frente fría y todo. Y hoy por la noche estará así. Estas são as temperaturas de 2 metros, assim. Não é la actual na superfície, pero es una aproximación. Y mañana por día estará un poco menos ahí, por causa de las tormentas y todo, pero ahí abajo estará unos 30 grados ou mais, assim. Principalmente o sur da Espanha, Portugal, assim, pode chegar muito alto, em uns 30, assim, quase 40. Y miramos más de cerca aqui assim. Mañana está um pouco menos aí, pero está em Fahrenheit esto, Celsius. Aqui está nos 30, 32, 27, assim. Sim, menos que antes, assim. Entonces, y es esto, ya está. Cuidado com as tormentas mañana. E para Portugal aqui, temos uns avisos por calor só em partes de Portugal. No sul, assim, principalmente no leste, assim, essas zonas mais no interior de Portugal, assim, mas uns avisos por temperaturas altas. Mas isso foi sexta. Sábado já não tem mais nada aqui. Então, porque vai ter um descenso térmico ligeiro assim, mas não tanto, mas vai baixar um pouco as temperaturas. Então, sábado já se vai esses avisos. Então, esses avisos que eu mostrei são só para hoje. Esses amanhã já não tem. E as temperaturas que pode fazer amanhã, durante a hora mais quente do dia, assim, vai estar por volta de uns 28, 29 em partes do interior, 27, 31, 30, assim, mas nada demais. Mais pro norte, uns 29, 24. E nos próximos dias, até a noite, pode ficar mais friozinho, uns 13, mostra a noite, assim. E daí, já durante o dia, na segunda-feira aqui mostra já mais quente, assim, uns 30, mais concentrado, assim. Mas não tanto também como tá agora, assim. Mas é isso. É só pra hoje os avisos. E logo, semana que vem, tipo terça-feira, mostra uns 31 lá embaixo, assim. E de chuva, não tem tanto esperado. Os próximos 3 dias não mostra nada. E os próximos 5 dias, só um pouquinho de chuva no norte possível ali, por causa de umas outras frentes. Mas nada demais. próximos 10 dias não tem grande coisa também. E é isso. E então, miramos outra vez que passar luego aqui na Espanha, sí, nas próximas semanas, aqui. Então, pode ser las tormentas mañana sábado y sí, el sábado y ya se acalma un poco, lunes nada, pero veis esto es lunes por la noche y el martes puede haber un nuevo frente ahí que deja unas lluviasitas en Galicia, así, pero nada tan grande, pero el lunes así puede haber, no, este es lunes, espera, sí, es el miércoles esto, vale, y luego ya no hay más grande cosa, sí, fin de semana que viene talvez haya unas lluvias en el norte, así el viernes, y algo en el sur, pero nada tan grande así. Y es esto. So let's see here for friends in the UK and in other areas. So first, we'll get these storms tomorrow there. We already had some strong ones this afternoon going on now, but we'll get these other storms coming from Spain tomorrow, and then tomorrow afternoon and evening we will get all these crazy storms there in Germany, Switzerland, France, especially eastern and southern France, northern Italy, and this could be some very strong storms. It shows there a lot in Switzerland, southern Germany, especially France, there's southeastern France. Then by tomorrow night he goes away into Eastern Europe, but by Sunday still shows some very strong storms in northern Italy there, so be aware. And then into Monday it shows another system curving up there, affecting parts of northwestern France, maybe some storms on Tuesday there. And let's see, by Wednesday, so Thursday, it shows more storms on France on Thursday, going up into Germany. It could get very strong there. And then let's see, Wednesday, so this is Friday, right, July 12th. It shows this massive system coming in with lots of storms in most places in France, Switzerland, Germany, northern Italy, the UK. So this could be a very big system on Friday, and then it moves east, bring more severe weather to Central Europe next Friday, then it moves out again, and then the rest is too far out. Let's see the rain accumulation here. So this is today, from the storms today and tonight, and for tomorrow it looks like this until Sunday, and then by Sunday more storms in northern Italy. Monday, that next system there, and then later, because of the storms on Friday and everything, lots of accumulation, southern Germany, parts of northern Italy, Switzerland, so it could get big in those areas. So let's see, a higher resolution model here for the storms tomorrow. So let's see, Saturday here, it shows some storms already by the morning, parts of central western France, then they continue north there. By the early afternoon shows already very strong storms in eastern France tomorrow, and then and it's barely the late afternoon. So let's see, by the middle afternoon those storms are in Germany, very intense storms there, and then this continue in France, and very intense line of storms there in France. This could have some big damaging winds and hail. Then by the evening it moves into Switzerland, very intense storms in Switzerland, some very intense ones in northern Italy too, and this could be severe depending on the area, some severe storms. So let's see, by later in the evening, those very intense storms continue in southern Germany and move east, and then more there in Italy, through Switzerland by the night, and Sunday we could have some more. But please be careful tomorrow with those strong storms in eastern France, in Germany, Switzerland, and all those areas. So let's see here something. So because I want to make sure everyone understands. So I'll translate this to French. So if you're watching from France, take a look. Here, so this is basically it in French. So let's see here too in German. Let's see. So let's here. Good. So let's see in Italian here for them too. So wait, there. Wait, I'll fix this. Here. Norte d'Italia. Temporali. Good. I think they got it. So let's see. Now for more Central and Eastern Europe there. So and some warnings here first. So this is for Saturday. For tomorrow they have all the thunderstorm advisories in France. And let's see, in Italy too, thunderstorm advisories. Switzerland, rain and thunderstorm. There will be very strong storms in Switzerland, as I told you. In Austria, thunderstorm too. And Germany, they have some big thunderstorm warnings there too for tomorrow. So let's see. In Poland tomorrow, some high temperature advisories. Let's see, high temperature. Yes, many high temperature advisories there. Let's see, like 30 to 32 Celsius, they say. Lithuania, forest fire advisories in Latvia too. Some thunderstorm warnings, wind warnings at sea. So let's see, southern Finland, wind advisories. In other parts of Germany, some wind advisories too. And in Denmark, some thunderstorm advisories. So let's see, yeah, for tomorrow, this, even Norway, they have like a rain advisory there. Let's see, northern UK, some rain advisories. In Ireland too. Let's see, some rain advisories. Some more maybe. In Greece, some high temperature advisories. Southern Italy too, and Sardinia, some wind advisories. And let's see here. For Eastern Europe, we don't have much of high resolution models, but we'll do our best to show you the storms there. So let's see here. So by Saturday, tomorrow, we will have all the storms in Spain and in Central Europe there. And then by Sunday, this line moves into Eastern Europe. And even by Saturday night, already, some storms are in Poland and some other areas by Saturday night. And on Sunday, it shows more storms in parts of Slovakia, southern Poland, and Czechia. Some storms on Sunday, and even into Russia there, and Belarus, some storms as well. Then by Monday, some more storms in Belarus and those areas. It shows some strong ones there on Monday. Parts of Ukraine too might get some, southern Poland. Then Sunday here, we will still have some storms in northern Italy on Sunday. It shows parts of Austria too, more storms on Sunday. Let's see for Monday. For Monday, we might get a storm or two in Hungary there and Slovakia, so be aware. Monday afternoon, we might have a lot of stuff in Slovakia and some storms in Hungary. So let's see. Monday the 8th. So let's see for Tuesday here. Just some showers, maybe a storm or two, but nothing big. Maybe some more storms in Turkey and parts of Georgia and Armenia and those areas. And let's see, there's still a front there in Russia by Tuesday with some storms. Even some storms in Finland and Norway in those areas by Tuesday. And then, let's see, this is already Wednesday here. It shows that system spinning there near UK and bringing a lot of rain in the UK there between Tuesday and Wednesday. So, shows some storms in France, Belgium, in some areas of the UK on Wednesday, on Tuesday because of this. And then some storms in France there next Tuesday too, so be aware. Let's see, so Wednesday, this system keeps spinning there, still bringing rain to the UK, and keeps bringing storms there. By Wednesday, still some storms in the UK and Ireland, and some rain. And then this system goes north and brings a lot of heavy rain to parts of Norway and Sweden there. So let's see, this is by Thursday, lots of storms in parts of Poland, it's showing here, but this is a forecast, it could change. And then all that rain in Norway and Sweden, and then those storms move east there towards Latvia and Russia. So by Thursday and Friday there. So let's see here. We have that other system coming from the Atlantic there, and then by Thursday night it should start affecting parts of Europe, and then by Friday there'll be more storms in France there, and then the system traverses there to the northeast, brings some very strong storms to France, Belgium, Germany, even the Netherlands and Denmark. And then by Friday afternoon there, it shows some very strong storms in Germany, Poland, Czechia, northern Italy, parts of Central Europe too. And then by Friday night they move into Eastern Europe there, and still a lot of storms in southern Sweden there, in parts of Germany. Then by Saturday this continues moving northeast, still some very dangerous weather in parts of Poland, Central Europe around Czechia, southern Germany, France, still a lot of storms there. And then by Saturday afternoon, late afternoon, we'll still have some dangerous storms in Poland, Lithuania, parts of Belarus and Sweden and Latvia. And then this continues northeast and goes into Finland there. And then by Sunday at noon, it's showing the low pressure there, this line of storms all the way from Finland, traversing Russia into Belarus, more storms through Poland, going into parts of the Balkans and Italy too. So this is like Saturday noon and afternoon, it shows some storms there in western Hungary, parts of Croatia and Austria, and more areas. So this is 1 week out, but just to let you know, then by later in the afternoon, still some storms in Ukraine, parts of Croatia, and then even later in the night and afternoon, shows still some storms in parts of Serbia, Bosnia, Croatia, Slovakia, maybe Hungary too, and then the rest is too far out. So let's see the rain accumulation here. So until Sundays like this, mainly for the UK, Northern Italy, Spain, parts of Norway. Then next Tuesday and next Wednesday there, a lot of rain in the UK, parts Central Europe, and especially Sweden and Norway. And then until next Friday, shows even more for Sweden there in Norway, a lot. And then as the system comes on Friday and Saturday, all that rain there in Central Europe and even Finland, Sweden, those areas. So be aware. Let's see here. The temperature, so Saturday we have some below average temperatures in Spain, parts of the UK, France, and the north too, because the system is still some very above average temperatures in Eastern Europe. Sunday still some below averages in the west and some above averages in the east, but then by Monday shows above average in Central Europe and Eastern Europe too. Later still shows some below average in parts of Western Europe, but mainly above average in Central Eastern Europe there. So we might be in for more hot temperatures. So be aware. Let's see. The wind gust maybe. By Saturday tomorrow, we get a lot of strong winds from the system in Germany, Denmark, moving to Sweden and those areas, and then moving north. And then from that other system, we might get some gusty winds in Spain, parts of the UK, in other areas, and parts of Eastern Europe occasionally too. And then as this other system comes, like next Friday, Saturday, those some gusty winds are possible throughout Europe, especially next Sunday, southern France, parts of the Mediterranean, into the UK and parts of the north too. But be aware, those systems there could bring gusty winds. And always inside the thunderstorms too, the thunderstorms themselves produce some very severe winds, so be careful. Let's see. So this is it, I think. Stay safe from these storms tomorrow and next week, but especially tomorrow in those regions. And if any outlooks from the storm forecast come out, we'll tell you. There's nothing yet here. We also have a lot of Saharan dust that might affect parts of the Mediterranean and Spain and Italy, especially by Sunday. Later on Sunday, lots of dust around Italy, Central Europe, and more later, even into Eastern Europe there, some more dust, so be aware too. And also, let's see. Hot in many of these areas during the day, in Sardinia and those other areas too. Let's see. Parts of Russia, very hot, like 38, even 40 in some areas. That's southern Russia, I think, and other areas too. So stay safe.